Cloud computing refers to the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data, rather than using a local server or personal computer. In simpler terms, it means accessing and using computer resources and services over the internet. Here are some key points about cloud computing. 1. On-demand access. Cloud computing provides users with on-demand access to a wide range of computing resources, such as storage, processing power, databases, and software applications. Users can access these resources whenever they need them, without the need for physical infrastructure. 2. Scalability. Cloud computing allows users to easily scale up or down their resource usage based on their needs. Whether it's increasing storage capacity or adding more computing power, cloud services can quickly adapt to meet changing requirements. 3. Cost-effective. Cloud computing offers a cost-effective solution for businesses and individuals alike. Rather than investing in and maintaining expensive hardware and software infrastructure, users can pay for cloud services on a subscription or usage basis. This eliminates the need for upfront capital expenses and reduces ongoing maintenance costs. 4. Flexibility and mobility. Cloud computing enables users to access their data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility allows for remote work, collaboration, and accessing resources on various devices, including computers, smartphones, and tablets. 5. Reliability and resilience. Cloud service providers often have redundant infrastructure and robust data backup systems to ensure high availability and data protection. This reduces the risk of data loss and minimizes downtime. 6. Security. Cloud service providers typically implement advanced security measures to protect user data and ensure privacy. They employ encryption, access controls, and regular security updates to safeguard against cyber threats.